Good morning, children. Good morning, all of you. Sorry for the delay. There's some problem with the mic. That's why. Okay. All of you, switch on your video. Today you have any exam? Do you have any exam today?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Which one? Social?
Social.
Okay. All of you, switch on your video. Vishnu, Revu, Justin, Elsa. Okay, Minha. Tanya, Srihari, Delvin, Tanya, Isha, Aaron. Switch on the video. Okay, so children, we are going to start our new chapter, arithmetic progression. Last day, I just started what are the different examples for arithmetic progression. As I told you, our ladder is in a special manner. The steps are decreasing its length. Ladder is an example for arithmetic progression used in that device. And I told you, honeycomb, sunflower is, we can see the petals of sunflower are arranged as in the form of arithmetic progression. And in our what I said, honeycomb, then that maize comb, cholam. Its grains are arranged. Cholam, do you know it's a shape of corn? No, its grains are arranged in the using the theory of arithmetic progression. Okay, so in our daily life or in nature, we can see there are many things which forms the arrangement forms arithmetic progression. Okay, and this arithmetic progression in our chapter, arithmetic progression is a series of numbers. Numbers are arranged in a particular manner. Okay, it is the series of numbers which are arranged in a particular manner, and in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the first. First, we will have a term. From that, we are adding a fixed number to get the second. Then from the second, we will add the same fixed number to get the third. So a fixed number is adding to each term to get the next. Such a series of numbers are known as arithmetic progression. So you write the first. Okay. Write the heading as chapter 5, arithmetic progression. Chapter 5, arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. Simple chapter it is. Chapter 5, arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression, usually we will call as AP. Arithmetic progression, AP. First, you write the definition of arithmetic progression. An arithmetic progression is a list of numbers. An arithmetic progression, after that I will explain. An arithmetic progression is a list of numbers. List of numbers. Yes.
I can write this page.
Okay. Arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by, in which each term term is obtained by,
Arithmetic progression.
is there on the board. Arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number, adding a fixed number, adding a fixed number, adding a fixed number to the preceding term, to the preceding term, preceding one beyond, preceding term, to the preceding term, except the first term, except the first term, first term, and the fixed number, the fixed
Ma'am,
number, first
term finish.
Yes. Term is, each term is obtained by, is that?
No, ma'am, down.
Down, first term, first term, preceding term except, to the preceding term except the first term, except the first term. Except the first term. The fixed number is called common difference. After writing this definition, I will explain. Okay, don't worry. The fixed number is called common difference. Common difference. Common difference. It can be positive, negative, or zero. It can be positive, negative, or zero. Positive, negative, or zero. It can be positive, negative, or zero.
Negative finish.
Positive, negative, or zero. Positive, negative, or zero. Positive, negative, or zero. Okay. Now all of you listen to the board. After giving some examples, I will explain what you have written as definition. Okay. Now all of you listen to the board. Arithmetic, first of all, arithmetic progression is a list of numbers. It's a list of numbers. So first of all, we can take our 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. All of you listen to the board. Children, all of you stop writing, listen to the board. Okay. First, arithmetic progression is a list of numbers. I took the very common list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Okay. And here the first number is 1. First term. It is only list. So it is there is a first term, second term, third term, fourth term, etc. Okay, first number, second number. In arithmetic progression, usually we will use the word term instead of number. First number, second number. We will use the word term. Here, the first term is 1, second term is 2, third term is 3, etc. It is a list of numbers in which the first term is 1. First term is 1. Second term is 2, isn't it? Second term is 2. And I'm getting the second term. How I'm getting the second term? 1 plus 1, isn't it? Where this is first term. First term. With the first term, I add 1 to get the second term. And third term is 3. How I'm getting this 3? 2 plus 1. With the second term, again I add 1 to get 3. Next, fourth term is 4. How I'm getting this 4? By adding 3 plus 1. So from each term, I'm adding 1 to get the next term. Okay. So with the previous one, I'm adding a fixed number. Or here I'm adding the fixed number 1. In this case, the fixed number is 1. I'm adding 1 to each previous term to get the next. Is it clear? This so well, to each term or each previous term, I'm adding 1 to get the next. So this is an AP. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is an AP whose first term is 1 and the term we are adding, here it is 1. This 1 is called common difference. Okay. First term is 1 and common difference usually it is denoted by D. D also 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5, etc. This 1 is adding to each term to get the next. So here 1 is the common difference. Okay. Now next example. See. 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. This is also a list of numbers in which is the first term? Usually first term is denoted by A. First term is A. And what is the first term here? First term is 2. The first term is equal to 2. Now, second term. 4. Second term is 4. And second term I can obtained by adding 2. 2 plus 2. With this A, with this 2, I added 1, 2. So I'm getting 2 plus 2, 4. And third term is 6. 6, how I got 6? By adding 4 plus 2. The same 2 I added again. And fourth term is 8. And it is 6 plus 2. See, I'm adding the same number to each term. Which is the same number here? In this case, what is that same number? 2. So here in this sequence of numbers or in this list of numbers, I'm adding 2 to each term to get the next term. So fifth term will be what? Fifth term will be 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2. We are getting 10. Okay. So to the first term. First term we must define what is the first term. And to this first term, I'm adding a fixed number to all the numbers to get the next. Okay. So here I'm adding 2 to all the numbers to the previous number to get the next. Okay. Now another example. Suppose our first term is 3. First term is 3. Suppose we are adding, say, one number. You can choose a number. Which number we will add? Any number. Eva, say one number. Any number as to get the next. Any one number to get the next. Say any number. We will add that number. Huh? 3 itself. 3 itself. So, okay. So, next number will be 3 plus 3. After that, 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3. After that, 6 plus 3 is 9. So, 9 plus 3. After that, 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 3, etc. So, here we are adding the same fixed number with this 3. to get a series. So here 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, etc. 18, 15, 18, etc. is a arithmetic progression with what is the first term here, Eva? What is the first term here? What is the first term?
3 plus
3. First term is 3. First term is this 3, the first term. First term equal to A. First term is denoted by A. A equal to 3. And common difference? Common difference also 3. We are adding 3 to the first term to get the next. Another example, say we are starting with the 5. And let the common difference be, take the common difference as 4. So the next term will be what, Nabil? Common difference, D we took as 4. D equal to 4. So what will be the next term, Nabil? First term is 5. Common difference is 4. So next term will be what, Nabil? Krishna, first term is 5. Common difference is 4. So what will be the second term? Next term?
Ma'am, for 5 plus 5.
5 plus?
5.
No. Common difference is 4 here. So 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4. We are adding this 4 to each term to get. Okay. So the next term will be 5 plus 4 is 9. Next term will be what? Lena? Next term will be?
9 plus 4.
Lena? Next term is?
9 plus 4.
9 plus 4. Next term is 9 plus 4. We are adding the 4 again. 9 plus 4 is 13. The next term is 13 plus 4. 13 plus 4. 13 plus 4. Now 17 plus 4. We are adding that 4 to each term. Okay. So next one more example I will show. Say 10. Okay. Let the common difference is 6. So what will be the next term? Karthik? What will be the next term?
10 plus 6, 16.
10 plus 6, 16. 10 plus 6, 16. Then next term?
16 plus 6, that's equal to 22.
16, yes, 16. Here 16 we got by 10 plus 6. Then 16 plus 6 is 22. 16 plus 6. After that, next term? After 22?
22 plus 6, that's equal to 28.
28, that is 22. 22 plus 6 equal to 28. So here, Karthik, what is the first term?
It's 10.
10. And common difference is?
6.
And common difference? D. Common difference is denoted by D and it is equal to 6. Children, is it clear all of you how AP comes? We have a first term and we have a common difference. When we add the common difference to each term, we will get the next term. Is it clear, Elsa, Gauri, Srihari, Navneet? Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, we will move to the next example. Example 6. Okay, children. -3. First number is -3. That is A equal to -3. And it was given D equal to -1. D equal to -1. Okay. So, Sania, which one will be the next term of this AP? Negative 3 is the first one. So, and D is negative 1. So, what will be the second term, Sania?
Negative 4.
Negative 4. How it's come negative 4? Negative 3 plus negative 1, negative 4. Negative 4. The next number, Sania?
Negative 5. Negative 4.
Negative 4 plus negative 1, negative 5. Negative 5, etc. So, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, etc. is a AP. And whose common difference is D equal to -1 and first term is negative 3. One more example. Suppose 5 is the first term. 5 is the first term and common difference D equal to negative 2. So Srihari, what is the next number? 5.
3.
3. Next number is 3. After that,
1.
that is 5. We are adding this negative 2. 5 plus negative 2 is 3. Next term is 3 plus negative 2, 1. The next term is, Srihari?
Negative.
1 plus negative 2. 1 plus negative 2. So negative 1, etc. Okay, this is decreasing. 5, 3, 1, negative 1. After negative 1, negative 1 plus negative 2, negative 3 will come. Okay, so here the good morning, sir. Minha give an excuse if she has some problem with her. Minha said she has some problem.
Roland, you are not there. That's why you are not seeing me. Roland is not there. Mark absent for him. What is going on? Okay. Any problem with the class, you can tell me. Okay. All happy? Say good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
You can say good morning. When you see me, you can say good morning. You forgot all this. Okay, then. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, children. So about AP. So here A is 5 and D is negative 2. So that's why I told no when we are wrote about the common difference can be a positive number, negative number, or what you wrote can be a positive number, negative number, or 0. 0, yes. Okay. Positive number, negative number, or 0. So next example is 2, 2, 2, etc. is an AP. 2, 2, 2, etc. is an AP. 10, 10, etc. is an AP. Because when we add 2 plus 0, we are getting 2. Again, 2 plus 0, 2. Or in the next example, 10 plus 0 is 10. 10 plus 0 is 10. We are getting the same number since the common difference is 0. Here first term is 2 and common difference is 0. In the next example, first term is 10, common difference is 0. So the common difference D can be positive, negative, or 0. Is it clear, children? Are you getting an idea of what is an AP? Common difference can be positive, negative, or 0. Common difference is denoted by the letter D, small letter D, and the first term is denoted by A. So A and D. We studied two features, A and D of an AP. A is called the first term, D is common difference. So now some more examples. I think next example onwards you can write. You didn't write these, no? Okay. So next example onwards you write examples. Examples. Write this example for AP. Some examples are 100, 200, 300, etc. is an AP. Hundred, 200, 300, etc. is an AP. Here, what is first term?
100.
Yes, first term is 100. Common difference is
100.
D is also equal to 100. Okay, next one, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, etc. All of you find out, right, what is A and what is D. Right. Here, what is A and what is D, right? A means first term, D is common difference. Write A and D.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we already write that common difference and the number now. And find that.
Yes. Write common difference. What is A? Alna Rose, for the 10th example, A is what? Alna? -3. And D? D is what?
1.
1. Very good. D is 1 because -3 plus 1 is -2. -2 plus 1 is -1. -1 plus 1 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 2. So what D is 1. Very good. And next one, Delvin. What is the first term? First term. Delvin, first term is
100.
100. Good. And D? D? Delvin? D will be what, Delvin? Justin? D? Justin? D is?
Ma'am, -30.
-30. Who said this? -30?
Ma'am, Rohan.
Huh?
Rohan.
Very good, Rohan. Very good. -30. Correct. Because 100 plus -30 is 70. 70 plus -30 is 40. 40 plus -30 is 10. Good. D is negative 30. D is negative 30. Now, write a sentence. Each numbers write a sentence. Each numbers of an AP is called a term. Each number of an AP is called a term. So it is in between the example, so you put in a box. Otherwise, you won't see that. Each term of an AP is called a term. Okay. Now you do one thing. Go to the definition. Go to the definition and read the definition. Rachel Boben, read the definition.
Ma'am, each number.
Arithmetic progression, that definition.
Introduction only.
The beginning, I have given the definition. No, read that definition.
And the notes only, ma'am.
Yes, that's it.
And arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term expected the first taken.
Okay.
The fixed number is called common difference. It can be positive, negative, or zero.
Okay, Angelo, read. Angelo, read.
And arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. The fixed number is called common difference. It can be positive, negative, or zero.
Okay. Kshetra, read.
An arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term, and the fixed number is called common difference. It can be positive, negative, or zero.
Okay, children, you may write these examples also. 2, 2, 2, 2, because here A is 2, D is 10. That also, right. The same numbers, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Here A is 2, D is 0. Mention that example also. And this one, 7th also you can write. 7th also a good example. D is negative 2. Write that also. A is 5. Write A and D. For all, write A and D. 5, 3, 1, negative 1, negative 3, etc. D is minus 2. A is 5. And
that 7th and 8th or no?
7th one?
7th one and 8th or no?
7th and 8th, yes. After that, let me check. Many examples will come.
I'm not hearing your voice.
You can. This also, 4th also you can write. 4th one. Write 4th one also. There will come many examples will come. D, 9, 13, 17, etc. Write this 4th one also. Write A and D.
Your voice is breaking.
My voice is breaking?
Because you're raining.
Your voice also breaking. Then no problem. No. Both of voices are breaking. See, because of heavy rain, no, that's why. Don't do it. If you have any doubt, I will explain again and again. If my voice is not clear to you, you just tell me, I will explain. Okay, don't worry. Okay, all of you wrote? Okay, now you have some questions. Do this question. Write question. Write the first 4 terms of the AP. Write first 4 terms of the AP whose A is 10, D also 10. First choose. Write the AP, all of you. A is 10, D is 10. A is 10, D is 10. Write AP. A 10, D also 10. Second question. A is -1, D is 1/2. A is -1, D is 1/2. Write the AP.
After that, each number AP is called after you write one example. Any example you can write in textbook.
Yes, any example you can write. You can find any example and write. Now, Navneet, what is the first AP? First 4 terms of AP? AP is?
10 plus 10.
How much?
20.
Then?
20 plus 10.
How much?
30. 30 plus 10. 40.
Very good. Etc. It will be there. Okay. Question is to write 4 terms. No. So only you just write the 4 terms. Now, Sowell, second AP. First term is -1. First term is -1. Second term will be Sowell. First term is -1. Second term.
I have 2 examples only. I will write it.
4 terms. You do this question. Here we are doing a question. Do this. Examples you can write any. Sowell, AP. Sowell, give. What is the second term? First term is -1. Second term is what, Sowell?
Negative.
Negative?
2 by.
2 by. First term is -1. Common difference is 1/2. So what is -1 plus 1/2? -1 plus 1/2 is what? Lakshmi.
Why?
Lakshmi. -1/2.
2/2 only.
No. No.
-1/4.
-2 plus 1/2 is -1/2. Addition of rational numbers. -1 plus 1/2 is what? -1 into 2 minus 2. plus 1 whole by 2. So negative 1 by 2. Negative 1 by 2. Next term will be what? Next term is Shania. 0. Because negative 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. If you have doubts, you can write this calculation in bracket. 0. After that, 0 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Okay. My first term is negative 1. Negative 1 plus 1 by 2 is minus 1 into 2, negative 2. Negative 2 plus 1 whole by 2 is negative 1 by 2. Then negative 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 0. 0 plus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay. One more question. One more question. A equal to negative 2, D
Can you
equal
do that?
to 0. D equal to 0, A equal to 4, D equal,
can you explain that the second one?
second one. Oh, sure. 1 second. Okay, sure. Rohan, here we have, here I will do. Here A equal to negative 1 and D equal to 1 by 2. So first term is negative 1. Okay. To get the next term, negative 1 plus 1 by 2. We need to add 1 by 2 with this negative 1. So here we need to take LCM now. 2 into negative 1, negative 2 plus this one whole by 2. Negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1 by 2. Second term is negative 1 by 2. Is it clear, Rohan? Second term?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now again, with negative 1 by 2, negative 1 by 2 plus D second 1 by 2. So negative 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 0. One is negative, other one is positive. Clear, Rohan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The next term is 0 plus 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
Is 1 by 2. Okay, Rohan? Is it clear
Yes,
now?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Now do the next. A is negative 2, D is 0. And A is 4, D is 3, negative 3. D is negative 3. Sorry. Fifth one. A is negative 1.25. Negative 1.25. D is negative 0.25. Find out. Children, attendance please. Ebin, Alham, Alnaros, Ananta Krishna. Ananta Krishna? No. Anjali, Anthony, Anthony. Ebin present, okay. Anthony, Arun, Ashik, Adulya,
Present, ma'am.
Bastin, Devasena, Dominic, Elsa, Emrin,
Present.
Fahad. Children, did you know who's your class teacher? 10C. Myself is your class teacher. Okay. 10B, did you get your class teacher's name? Rosmi ma'am is your class teacher. Okay. So 10C, all your phone numbers are not with me. Okay. After correcting the answer sheets, almost I will get all. I will contact you later. Okay. And
Your voice is breaking.
Who?
Your voice is
Voice no, because of rain. Fahad, Gauri, Gautam, Jerlin, Jesslyn, Justin, Karthik, Kshetra, Lakshmi, Medita, Minha, Revu, Said, Sania, Shania, all these names I saw. That's why I'm calling it speedily. So, well, Sriram present? Sriram. No, Srihari, Swati. 10B. Aaron.
Present, ma'am.
Agna. Alicia. Anaj. Angelo.
Present, ma'am.
Ashna. Then be Rosemary ma'am. Who's Rose? Which subject is Rosemary ma'am taking? Huh? Rosemary ma'am no. Chemistry ma'am no. 10B.
chemistry.
Rosemary is not Rosemary. Okay. Ashna is there. Godwin, Lena, Chrisjo, Delvin, Elna Rose. Elna is there. If anybody can say the attendance, you can type on your chat box. Okay. Isha, Eva, Shifana, Tan, Krishna, Maria. Maria. Okay. Magna, Nihal. Krishna, okay, Krishna, I saw you.
Ma'am, I am Eva.
Who I am? Don't say I am.
Eva.
Eva is so. Nasil, Nabil, Navaneed, Nasrin, Noble, Rachel George. Okay, Rachel George, Rachel Boben, Raya, Rohan, Roland,
Present, ma'am.
Roshan, Shweta, Vishnu. So many absentees are there. Agna, no. Agna, Alicia, Anaj, Ashna, all are absent. What happened these days? Studying social studies? Okay, children, I think our time is up. We will wind up now. When is our next period? When is our next period? Next period is at 2:10. Okay, that time we will do more examples on AP. Okay, AP is very simple and interesting, not like Java. Okay, bye. Bye, all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Can you repeat that name once more? Whose name?